Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a little project that I'm doing for school. I work as a teacher, so I'm trying to do my bulletin board for July. So we are going to be doing like kind of like not rocket ships, what are they called? Fireworks in a way. So I got 3 of these popsicle sticks, and then the little ones, I got them in Michael's, and I got these little ones so we can put them in the back. So we got 3, and then we glued 2 little ones in the back. I did it with a hot glue gun, and then my kids painted them red, blue, and white. And then the next thing you're gonna need, it's gonna be cardstock. So I'm gonna be doing 10 triangles and a couple stars, but because I don't have gold cardstock, we're gonna be using white and we're gonna paint it gold, since we're gonna do gold glitter. I know it might be easier to just buy it, but if I have all this stuff at home, I can just make it. So I got this white cardstock at Michael's, and then this gold paint from Home Depot. It doesn't have to be perfect since we're gonna cover them in glitter anyway. We just basically just painted them so in the bottom doesn't show white and it's showing more gold, because that's what we want. We're gonna do triangles, cut them down, and then glitter them down. This parchment paper, and then we have the 10 little squares triangles cut out. And now we're gonna use some Mod Podge and a brush, and we're gonna put glue all over them. Let them sit for 20 minutes, and then after 20 minutes we come back and we put another coat of glitter, of glue and glitter on them. So now we just make sure we clean the excess glitter off. Okay, so now that we repeated the process, we're just gonna let it sit for an hour. Okay, so we already left them for an hour. And then we're gonna use this E60 spray adhesive glue. And then we're gonna spray it, and then we're gonna leave it for 20 minutes. So now that these are dry, we're gonna start forming them. So we are just gonna put them, we're gonna start sticking them. I'm gonna use this gift ribbon. We're gonna make like little tails on it, and I'm gonna cut like this much. And mean, you can make it as curly as you want, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and do it like this. So this is what it came out to be. And then we're gonna do the stars right now on the Cricut. So let's get all the stuff to prepare it. So I'm using the Cricut Maker. We're gonna be using a 12x12 mat and on the settings light cardstock. And since it's ready, we're just gonna press and watch it cut. Now that we just took them out of the mat, we're gonna do the same process as with the triangles. So now that the stars are done, we already glittered them. We let them sit for 20 minutes. We did it again. We let it sit for an hour, and then we spray the E600 glue for 20 minutes, and then we did it again for an hour. So now they're all done. Now it's time to put them on here. And here we have it. All of them are done. What do you think? I think they look pretty great. Thank you for watching. I will link all the materials down below. See you in the next video. Bye.